Navigating English. Master the art of giving directions. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel, your trusted companion in English learning. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of conversational English, with a particular focus on giving step-by-step instructions. We'll be exploring the specifics of creating realistic scenarios for giving directions. So, buckle up and get ready for an adventurous journey through the twists and turns of the English language. Before we get into creating our own scenarios, let's take a moment to understand why realistic context is vital in language learning. When we learn in context, we can remember phrases and expressions more easily because we're associating them with practical, real-world situations. Moreover, it helps us understand the tone and appropriate usage of different phrases. Now, let's have a look at the vocabulary and phrases commonly used in giving directions. These will be the building blocks for our scenarios. Basic prepositions: on, at, in, around, across, through, towards, up, down, next to, near, far from. Common phrases: turn left, right, go straight, take the first per second, third turn, it's on your left, right, cross the street, bridge, walk until you see, take the elevator, stairs. Now comes the fun part, creating our scenarios. It's important to ensure these scenarios reflect situations you may encounter in daily life. Let's look at a few examples. Scenario 1. A friend is visiting you and you need to explain how to get to your apartment from the subway station. Scenario 2. You are helping a tourist who is looking for the city's famous museum. Scenario 3. A new colleague asks you for directions to the nearest coffee shop from your office. Now that we've got our scenarios, let's put the vocabulary and phrases into practice with some role-playing. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. For scenario 1, use prepositions like up, down, through, to describe multi-level navigation. 2. For scenario 2, use phrases like go straight, turn left, right, near, far from, to provide a clear path. 3. For scenario 3, add some local landmarks to your directions to make them more precise and relatable. Tip: when role-playing, try to visualize the journey in your mind. It can help you form complete, coherent instructions. That wraps up our discussion on creating realistic scenarios for giving directions in English. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. We hope this session has been helpful and has given you the confidence to guide your way through any English conversation. Stay tuned for our next session, where we'll be diving deeper into conversational English. Until then, keep practicing and exploring the world of English. Happy learning!